In the booth of BAMPro, we're actually focusing on the high-end production elements of the broadcast business. The cinematic forms and that, the F-35 being the flagship to that. We have products that support it around it. This system happens to be a fiber-based system. We also have direct record to SRW tape systems. We have hard drive direct systems, so it makes it easier for Steadicam type operation as well. So the F-35 is a very versatile system, and we go in with complete systems to support films and television shows. This camera is currently being used on Red Tails, a Lucasfilm Limited project, and is actually configured just like this one is with the fiber system and power system that we utilize. We also have the SI2K on the booth for those that want to work in a raw data form, and the codec systems as well. So we're hard drive tape, whatever you need, that's available through us through a systemization interfacing with the camera systems.